Here we have an official unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. An ex-user named Early Tech India has shared the hands-on video along with several photos of the upcoming Galaxy A57, giving us an early real-life look at the device before its official launch. He also mentioned in his post that he has been using the Galaxy A57 for the past 1 month, which is why a screen protector is already applied on the phone. Because of that, the bezels may appear slightly thicker in the video. He further added that he will soon upload a proper unboxing video without the screen protector, where he will show the full details of the device.